The ultimate fitness debate. Picture this. You're ready to start, or maybe level up, your fitness journey. But there's one big decision ahead. Should you embrace the comfort of home workouts or dive into the hustle and bustle of the gym? Both options have their pros, their cons, and their loyal fans. Home workouts might seem like the perfect choice for those who value convenience and cost-effectiveness. On the flip side, gym workouts offer access to professional equipment, a motivating environment, and expert guidance. But the question isn't about which is better in general. It's about which is better for you. In this video, we'll explore the advantages and drawbacks of both options. Whether you're someone who thrives in your own space or craves the energy of a gym, we're here to help you figure out which fitness path aligns with your goals, lifestyle, and personality. Home workouts. Working out at home has become increasingly popular, and it's easy to see why. Imagine being able to roll out of bed, throw on your workout gear, and start exercising within minutes. There's no travel time, no worrying about gym hours, and no stress about waiting for equipment. One of the biggest draws of home workouts is the cost. With no monthly memberships or pricey personal trainers, it's a budget-friendly way to stay fit. A yoga mat, some resistance bands, or a pair of dumbbells can set you up for an effective workout without breaking the bank. Plus, the privacy of your home can be a game changer. No judgment, no pressure, just you and your routine. But home workouts do have their challenges. Limited equipment can become a hurdle as you progress in your fitness journey. Gym workouts. Stepping into a gym feels like stepping into a world built for fitness. Rows of treadmills, racks of free weights, and machines designed for every muscle group. Gyms offer unparalleled variety. For those serious about achieving specific fitness goals, this access to professional equipment is a game changer. The gym environment itself is another major benefit. The energy of others working out around you can be incredibly motivating, pushing you to lift heavier, run faster, or keep going when you feel like giving up. Many gyms also offer classes, programs, and personal trainers, providing guidance that can make all the difference in reaching your goals. However, gyms aren't without their downsides. Membership fees can be expensive, especially at premium facilities. Add personal training sessions and the costs can skyrocket. The best choice for you. So how do you decide? It comes down to your goals, your personality, and your circumstances. If you're someone who values flexibility, privacy, and saving money, home workouts might be your best bet. They're great for beginners, busy parents, or anyone who wants to fit quick sessions into a packed schedule. If you're looking for variety, thrive in a social or structured environment, and want access to professional equipment, gym workouts are the way to go. They're especially beneficial for those with advanced fitness goals or people who enjoy the community aspect of working out. And here's the thing, it doesn't have to be one or the other. Many people combine the best of both worlds, doing home workouts for convenience and hitting the gym when they want more variety or a focused environment. Your fitness, your rules. At the end of the day, the best workout is the one you stick to. Whether you're doing push-ups in your living room or lifting weights at the gym, consistency is what leads to results. Remember, fitness is personal. It's not about following trends or doing what works for someone else. It's about finding what works for you. So, what's your choice? Are you team home workout, team gym, or maybe a little of both? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fitness tips and advice. Stay committed, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the journey.